So this is a classic problem of LeetCode where we have to find the missing number. This is a problem number 268. Okay, so we have to find the missing number. Here we are given sets of number in the array. For example, here you can see 301 and in the output we are getting 2. Similarly, here you can see numbers are 0 and 1 and we want the missing number, so the number must be 2. So we have to write a code for this so that we can find the missing number. Okay, for that we will write some lines of code. I will show you how to solve it. Like, first of all, we will define the size of the array. For that we will take int nums equal to nums dot size, and this is how the size of the array is defined. So here we are defining the size of the array. Then we will run a for loop and we will run it from int I equal to 0. This will run up to less than size of the array, and we will iterate it. Okay, then we will take another variable int ans and we will start it from 0. Okay, now here comes the main thing. We will use XOR operation to solve this problem. For example, we will use here ans equal to ans, and in the second line we will do it with, we'll take the XOR operation with nums I. After that we will close the for loop and we will return ans. Okay, this will give us our required answer. Okay, I would also like to show you by an example. For example, suppose, let me change the color. Red will be a good option. Yeah. Let me take one example. Like, suppose we are given with this set of number 301. Okay, then what we will get in the output? In the output we want 2 as the output because 2 is missing. Okay, so how will this work? Then as we can see here, we had taken ans equal to ans. So, and initially what was the ans equal to, sorry, I have written here wrong. No, here ans cannot be equal to 0. It will be equal to the size of the array. Okay, it will be equal to the size of the array, nums dot size. Okay, so our initial value of the array, let me change the color. Our initial value of the ans is what? 3, because this is the size of the array. Now we are taking XOR with I, and I is initially 0. We are starting from 0. So 3 XOR 0 is what? 0. Then 3 XOR num of 0 is what? 3. And XOR of any number is 0. I am drawing one XOR table also for your reference. Same number will give 0 and different will give 1. Okay. Now our AND's value is 0. Then we will again come out of then we will again iterate it, and I will become 1. For I equal to 1, what will happen? AND's equal to 0. AND's into I is 1. 0 XOR 1 is 1. Then AND's equal to 1 this time, and we will take XOR with num1. And what is num1? This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. 0 is 1. So our AND's become 1. Now we will again do it for 2. Okay. So AND's is 1 and I is 2. 2 XOR 1 is what? We will have to find it. Okay. So we will find it here. Let me solve it here by changing the color. Okay. 1, how can we write 1? So 0 and 1. This is how 1 is written in the binary. And how 2 is written? 2 is written as this. We will take the XOR. 1 0 is 1, 1 0 is 1. What is this number? This is written in binary. We will again convert it into the original form. So this is equal to 3. Okay, so this is equal to 3. Now 3 and num2 is what? Num2 is 1. Num2 is 1. So 3 1. Now we will again find it. What will come this time? Let me check. So 3 is 1 and 1. What is 1? 0 and 1. We will take the XOR operation. 1 1 0 1 0 1. What is coming? 1 0. What is 1 0 in the original form? It is 2. So here we are coming, it is coming 2. Now the value of AND's is equal to 2. Value of AND's equal to 2. Now what do you think? We will again iterate the for loop. If we again do it, then I will become equal to 3. But here we can see that I have taken I is less than num.size. So this time I will not run and will come out of the for loop and will return what? Here you can see it will return AND's. And what is AND's? AND's is 2. So in the output we will get 2. So this is how our problem will be solved. So thank you very much.